There are so many dreams that you don't need to neglect whenever that you had such dreams. There are so many dreams that you need to pay attention. There are so many dreams that you need to tackle so very fast whenever that you heard or whenever that you dreamed about it. Dream is a message delivered to you from God. Either things that happened before, things that is about to happen, or things that have happening already. Now, before you go to God for prayers, or whenever that you go to God for prayers, or you are requesting for so many things, God, I need this, I need that, I need that. God will always talk to you through your dream life. That is why we understand that every human being on earth dreams. There are different types of gifts. There are prophetic gifts. There are prophecies and all that. But when it comes to dream is for everybody because that is the easiest communication between you and your God. So always pay attention to your dreams. But here are some of the dreams that you should never neglect. Whenever that you have these dreams, please, it means that something bad want to happen. It means that something want to happen in your life. Either you had this dream for yourself or you have it for somebody. The reason why God is showing you that particular thing is just for you to pray. It's just for you to do something to make sure that that dream doesn't come to existence. So whenever you had any of these dreams, please, if you know how to pray, pray fast. If you go to church and start asking God to terminate this dream. Number one of it, which is very, very important, is seeing yourself in the dream being barbed your hair. Now, many of us sometimes when we see ourselves in the dream, maybe probably somebody is barbing your head, or you're in a salon barbing or cutting your head, or you see yourself in the dream, somebody is being placing his or her hands on your head. Please, that dream is very, very bad, and it's a dream that you need to stand feet and pray. Like when I said pray, if you know what you can do to terminate that dream, if you know what you can do to make that dream to be terminated, please do it because it's not good. Let me tell you, your head is a bond content of your glory, right? So when somebody is tampering with your head in the dream, it means that your glory is being tampered. It means that something dear to you, especially as a woman, you see yourself being barbed your hair in the dream. That means that something so precious to you is about to taken away from you. So what do? Please, I advise you, fast, pray, and ask God to terminate this dream. Another dream that whenever that you have it, that you need to stand very far, do so many things to stop it, that knowing that this particular one can cause you, that it means that maybe setback, backwardness, and many things is happening, is seeing yourself in the dream in your old house, in your old school, or wherever. Let me tell you, you are in the city, you are in abroad, and you're always seeing yourself in your village. You're seeing yourself in the old school where you've left before. You are seeing yourself in the universities where you graduated. What are you doing there? That place you've already graduated and move on. So this particular dream is a dream that you don't take for granted. So whenever you have such dream, please, I beg you to start praying. Ask God for mercy. Fast and pray. Do as many as you are. I've already shared with you many things how to terminate bad dreams. Make sure you stand your feet to terminate this dream because it's not a good one. Then another dream that you should not joke with whenever that you had this dream is seeing yourself being naked in the dream. This particular dream signifies shames and so many things negative attached to it. So whenever that you see yourself in the dream naked, or you are wearing a cloth and all of a sudden you see yourself appear naked, please, I beg you, or you see yourself naked pulling, please, I beg you to start praying. Immediately you wake up, even if you have not talking to anybody, take glass cup of water, make sure you speak a word and terminate all this dream, because seeing yourself in the dream is never a good sign. Now, another dream that you should never joke with whenever that you have such dream is somebody taking away your phone. Remember that phone is connection, phone is communication. So whenever that you see yourself being snatched, like somebody snatched your phone or somebody taking your phone, or you start looking for your phone, please, I beg you, immediately you wake up in the morning, pray. If you know whatever that you can do, please do that to terminate that dream. Don't just wake up and say it's a dream. Oh, it's one of those things. It's never one of those dreams. That dream is a message being delivered to you from God, because God never wants such thing to happen. That is why it's being revealed to you, so you don't close your mouth. Remember that a closed mouth is a closed destiny. So what do? Immediately you have such dream, you wake up, pray and cancel it. Do so many things that you know you can do to make sure to terminate this dream. Okay. Another dream that you should never play with whenever that you have this dream is see yourself. Maybe you are standing on a higher mountain, or you are standing up and you see somebody put you down, or you see yourself falling down. Please, I beg you to pray and cancel this dream. This is a bad omen. This is a bad sign that something bad or something wants to happen. Okay. Now, another dream that you should never joke with whenever that you had it, you see yourself being given a black cloth to wear, or you see yourself wearing a black cloth already. Please, whenever that you are in the dream and you see yourself being given a black cloth to wear, or you see yourself being given or you see yourself wearing a black cloth already, please immediately you wake up. If you have not talked to anybody, I've posted a lot of things that you can do. Go through the videos, you will see how to cancel bad dream. But not that, start praying immediately. Fast and pray. If you can, ask God to terminate that darkness that is about to befall you. Okay. Then another dream that you should not joke with whenever that you have it that signify negative things to your life is seeing yourself eating in the dream. Yes, a lot of people have been poisoned during this means. Let me tell you, it's not when you are craving. There are different types of eating in the dream. That's why a lot of people will not really understand this part. When you are craving for something, maybe you are hungry before you sleep at night, and you deprive your physical life with that particular test. There is very opportunity for you to see yourself eating in the dream. However it is, seeing yourself eating in the dream, either food, meat, and all that, is not a good sign. So whenever that you have it, please, I beg you to start praying to cancel it. Okay. Now, another one that you should never joke with whenever that you see yourself in the dream is seeing yourself in the dream losing what belongs to you, or looking for what belongs to you, either your clothes, either your shoe, either your wigs, either your bag, or whatever that belongs to you, and you see yourself seriously looking for it in the dream, and you could not find it until you wake up from that dream. Please, I beg you, immediately you wake up in that dream, start praying to God. Say, God, let nobody take away what belongs to me. May I never lose that thing that is so precious to me. Please, if you can fast and pray, I will advise you to do so. Don't say, oh, it's normal thing, it's just a dream. Let me tell you, like I said, dream is a message, either thing that have happened before, thing that is happening already, or thing that is about to happen. So always pay attention to your dream life. Dream is a direct communication between you and your God. That is why that when enemies want to attack somebody, they first of all quench the dream life of the person. That's why many people will tell you, oh, promise I've been dreaming and I can't remember my dream. Oh, promise I've not been dreaming at all. Because they knew that that dream is a means whereby God is going to communicate to you what you should do, or the cause of what is happening to you. And whenever that you pray for a particular thing, always pay attention to your dream, because your answer might come through that. So these dreams, please, whenever that you have about this dream, don't neglect it. Don't take it for granted. I'm also going to be sharing with you more secret about your dreams. But before then, I'm going to be ending this one here. Share this video, like it, follow me, or subscribe, depend on where you see this video, for more tips that will help you in every day of your life. May the Lord terminate every evil dreams in our life and see us through in the journey of our life. Remember, it's still your promise saying bye.